I have just washed and conditioned my hair. I used the As I Am Dry and Itchy shampoo and the Naughty Wave Hello conditioner. And in today's routine, we're going to be trying a routine method that has been around for a few years now. Somebody did ask for a video of this on my channel. I have tried this routine ages ago, but it completely slipped my mind to film this video. So this is the top-down method by Katie. I believe her account is Type of Beautiful. So that's what we're doing today. Starting with clean hair, I'm taking the Curly Secret Moisturising Protection Spray just as my leave-in. I was looking for this in a recent video of mine, by the way, and I found it. In today's routine, I am hoping for really nice definition and hoping for more volume than usual. So I just kind of detangled the ends a little bit, and I am, if my hair will let me, taking a little like U section at the top of my head and clipping the rest back. I don't think sections need to be perfect. I am styling with Curly Secret today because these products just give me amazing definition that lasts. They are out of date though. So I'm taking a little bit of foam and just kind of applying it at my roots, which I am a little bit nervous about, taking into account the way my scalp has been acting lately. I'm taking now the aloe vera Hydra Balm hair dry cream and just applying that to my ends, brushing all that through, and then I'm going to give it a little scrunch. My hair is soaking wet for this. Wow, she's looking chunky already. I'm taking a little bit of the Curly Secret Hydrating Styling Jelly and just glazing and scrunching this in. And now I'm just taking like a little, I think she said like an L shape. So just taking like a little, I don't know, triangle here, twisting it so that I don't get confused. And then I'm just basically repeating all those steps for each section. A little bit of foam at the root, leave-in on the ends, and then scrunching the gel in. Oh, and I'm also going to be brushing this up. For those of you that like upside down styling, but I don't know, perhaps it's difficult for you, perhaps it's a backache, or I don't know, your hair maybe ends up in messy sections, but you like the volume it gives you. This is a way to be able to do kind of like upside down styling without being upside down. So hopefully we're still gonna get the volume of upside down styling without injuring our back. I did forget just now to scrunch this before adding gel. It wouldn't be a video without my cat. Honestly, my hair is looking very chunky. This is quite unusual for me that my chunks do not want to break up. Katie definitely has more hair than me. So I'm just taking a little section now at the crown of my head and foam at the roots, a little bit of leave-in on the ends, brushing upwards, scrunching, and adding gel. This morning I was watching her YouTube video to remind me of how to do this routine, and I was reading the comments, and honestly so many positive comments about this routine. I think she split this in 2 sections, but nah, we'll do 2, but maybe I could do just 1. All the comments on her video of people trying this routine were so positive, and they said that they had amazing definition. Even if their hair is more so on the wavy side, I saw a comment, somebody that has 2B, 2C wavy hair, and they tried this and it was, I don't know, the most definition that they've ever had or something. I think maybe in the past when I tried this routine, I did it in the shower. It's definitely easier with a mirror. Katie did did not add any foam to her very last section, but we all know that I struggle with volume, so I'm gonna add foam everywhere. Okay, and now that we're all done, I'm gonna scrunch my hair in all directions. I may even add a little bit more gel actually. So you can see after scrunching now, my clumps have broken up quite a bit. So I am adding a little bit more gel because with this gel I think I normally apply a little bit more. And I am gonna scrunch with my towel. And this is how it's looking so far. I am gonna do what I normally do and put my hair up in this towel for a little bit. In Katie's video, she did not put her hair up in a towel like I have, but in her video, by the time she finished styling, I feel like her hair already looked much drier than mine is right now. My hair is still quite soaking wet, so I'll leave it in this for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna do my usual diffusing routine, which is where I diffuse the roots for about 5 minutes, and then pixie diffuse the rest until my hair is 100% dry. So I just finished diffusing. I think it's safe to say we're already looking voluminous. And the definition looks so good. First impressions, loving it so far. This may become my new favorite routine. I did have to, by the way, I'm taking the Coco Neve hair elixir to scrunch this out. I diffused for about 9 minutes, and as I was pixie diffusing, a cast wasn't forming, so I did go and add a little bit more gel. I did what people call the smasters technique. I just wet my hands under the tap, applied a little bit of gel, glazed and scrunched. I did that each side and upside down, and then continued diffusing. And I was a bit worried that I may have given myself too much of a cast, but actually this cast is super soft and very easy to scrunch out. I think without paying much attention. I ended up using quite hydrating products in my routine today. I think that's also caused me to have less of a cast. This is looking nice. I mean, I think my clumps are maybe a bit stringier than usual, but I think that makes my hair look fuller. Wow, this looks amazing. Okay, wow. I may have just discovered a new favorite routine. Tell me what you think. It looks different. I have smaller clumps, but that does make my hair look more voluminous and fuller, and sometimes, I don't know, smaller clumps maybe shrink up a little bit more. I really hope this definition and volume lasts. This looks so good. Oh, I love it. Let me know what you think. Do you think that I should just completely switch up my routine and do this routine from now on? I don't know. I might experiment with this routine some more and with different products. So you probably will be seeing me testing this out over the next few videos. I will be checking in tomorrow to show you how it's looking and let you know how well it lasted. But so far, first impressions, I am obsessed. Lately, I love my hair most wash days, but I don't know, something about this just hits different, don't you think? Granted, I do have the ring light on though. Maybe the ring light is fooling us. Okay, what do we think? Does it still look good in daylight? Plus the ring light? I would say yes. Let me turn the ring light off. Give the camera a little time to get used to the change in lighting. Does it still look good? Yes, I guess so. I don't know. The ring light adds so much shine. Let me show you the back without the ring light. I think it still looks good. And because of this styling method, I don't really have a set part. So my hair does kind of feel very like versatile. I could flip it any which way I wanted. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have tried this routine, let me know if you do try it. I really think that you should. I recommend it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!